Yo, y'all boys, your boy D-Man back in here with another one, you feel me? So today, we got a, hold on. Here we go. So, we playing a horror game, and we by ourselves today. So, shit, let's get into it. Let's get into it. You know what happened last time I played a horror game by myself? Y'all know what happened last time I played a horror game by myself, right? We ain't finished that motherfucker. But guess what? We gonna finish this one most definitely. We most definitely go finish this one. Cause what? Alright. I think this was that one Roblox game based off of.
Oh, another one. How
Smash.
nice to have some company again.
Smash.
Come over here. Let's have a look at you.
You can have a look at me anytime. What's up? What you wanna look at?
You disappoint me, love. You really do.
Why disappoint you?
So many fears.
Fears.
So many desires.
I'm only scared of not being.
I
with
thought
you,
you'd
and
be
I
bigger.
desire you. Huh?
Don't look so confused. I know everything you've got hidden in that brain of yours.
No, you don't. I'm not sure in the bed you don't.
I know all the terrible things you've done. So many good intentions laid to waste.
Fuck you mean?
I can see the regret
She the
eating away
feds.
at your soul. Ha! But now your time has come, and here you are, to grovel and beg.
For you.
You can't go back. Only death awaits you there now. Fear
What
not,
am I?
love. You've got potential. I see it in you.
Okay.
And I
Okay.
can help change your fate.
Alright. What we gotta do? What we gotta do?
But if you want a new life, you're going to have to suffer quite a bit to get it.
Okay. Alright. We gonna suffer. Alright. What we doing?
The pieces to a powerful ring are hidden in nightmares behind each of these portals.
Okay.
Find them and bring them to me, and you'll get your wish.
I bet. Come on.
Fail, and you'll find there are fates far worse than death awaiting you here.
They do it. Let's do it then. Come on. It's only the demo it said too, so.
What a charming little hotel. Bring back any memories?
Yeah. I play. Hey. Don't hey now. I played it for oh, bitch. What you got going on?
Going up?
It should look like we going down. They ain't look like up to me, but I.
Now listen closely.
I bet.
See those floating bits of crystal?
I see him. Come on, keep talking.
Those are soul shards. Fragments of human spirit scattered throughout the halls of this little maze.
Oh, you're an asshole, huh? Okay.
Each crystal is a remnant of one who has met their end here.
Okay. Keep talking.
Gather them all, and the first ring piece will be yours.
Bet. Say no more. This about to be easy.
One more thing. You're not alone.
Okay.
There are monsters in here, and they're looking for you.
Why they looking for me, though? I ain't even do none of them, though. I ain't do nothing to these people.
Here, you'll need this. It can detect each shard's location.
I can see him. Come on.
It was left by the last guest to disappoint me here.
I won't disappoint you. I won't disappoint you, Auntie. I promise you.
Enough instruction. Break those boards and let's get this party started.
They do it. Ooh, I like when you giggle at me. Come on. Oh shit! Oh no! Oh no! Oh no! Oh no! Okay, I missed that one. Oh! Oh my God, it's two. Why? Why? Then why is it faster? How do I open my the shit that is something? Don't even worry about it. Don't even worry about it. Don't worry about it. Don't even worry about it. Why? That, bro. We gonna get through this.
What a charming little hotel.
We gonna get through this.
Bring back any memories?
Yes, it do. Stop talking. I like your auntie, but stop talking to me. Okay? You gotta set some boundaries. Why are you sending
Going up?
killer monkeys after me, bro? We have a problem.
Now listen closely. Those are souls. Each Christ, gather them all. One more. Here, you'll need this. It was left by the very... Enough instruction. Break those boards and let's get this party started.
Oh, okay, boo. Okay. So what? So what? I got that mouth. One person, bro. I'm only one man. Why? Oh my God. Oh my God. No.
gathered half of the shards. I'm impressed. I would have thought you'd have been shredded by now.
I'm doing this for you. I'm doing this for you, Grandma. I'm doing this for you, Grandma. I'm doing all this for you, Grandma. Oh, yeah. We killing. Oh, I lied. I fucking lied. I lied.
Yeah, all right. You might just survive this after all. Keep going. You're nearly there.
Stun these bitch ass niggas. Read about mine. Come on. Come on. Come on. Oh, yeah. What do we do? That's what I'm trying to figure out. Okay. Hey, son. Oh, my God. Get going on the nigga ad though. Get going on the nigga ad though. We get going on the nigga ad though. Bro. We get going on the nigga ad though. We get going on the nigga ad though. Oh. Oh my God. Oh my God. Yeah, well, oh. Come on. Oh yeah. We get going on the nigga ad though. Just like that. Just like that. Just like that. I spoke too soon. I spoke too fucking soon. Oh my God. This. Come on. Beat on the nigga. Come on. Oh! Go ahead, get him right there. Good. Come on. Get going on nigga. Get going on nigga. Come on. Let go. BP. Oh my God. I'm goated. I'm that nigga. I told y'all. They can't fuck with me. Okay. I'm sorry. Please stop. Told you though. Still that nigga though. I'm still the GOAT. I'm still that nigga though. Oh yeah.
You've gathered all of the soul shards. The ring piece is now exposed, and the monsters will go into a frenzy. Get to the ring piece before Mr. Monkey finds you.
Who the fuck is Mr. Monkey? Yeah.
Who dares?
Shoot, he knows you're here now. You need to escape. Get to the portal. Hurry!
Fuck you, Mr. Monkey. Fuck Mr. Monkey. Mr. Monkey K, nigga. Fuck you talking about? Okay.
No escape for you.
Oh my God. I ain't do shit to nan one of you niggas, bruh. Final rank A. Fuck is you talking about? I don't give a damn about secrets. I really care less. Oh yeah, level up, level 2. Hey, what you got to say? What you got to say to me? What you got to say to me?
You made it.
Yeah, you know I made it. You know what I'm saying? What's up?
And I see you met my friend sooner than I was expecting.
Who the fuck is your friend? Is you talking about Mr. Monkey? Hey man, fuck Mr. Monkey. Mr. Monkey K.
Fierce. Still so persistent after all this time.
Who the fuck is this? Hey man, hey, I don't want to hear you.
Do not listen to her, mortal. She's just using you.
She can use me all she want. I don't want to hear your voice. I like the woman.
Give her the ring, and there will be consequences.
I don't care. I'm not worried about consequences. I don't care. Come on.
This is your only warning. Help her and you will suffer.
Okay, I would rather suffer from her than to listen to your ass, okay? I can't even
Pay
see
no
your face.
attention to him.
Yeah,
His
I won't.
powers cannot reach you here.
Okay. I don't want him to reach me. He sound like a pedophile. Come
The
on,
ring
keep
piece.
talking.
Place it at the altar.
I got
Now.
you. Damn, bitch. Oh, my bad.
It's been so long.
Fuck you talking about?
The ring is called the Riddle of Heaven.
Okay.
An ironic, a demon's power is contained inside it. The creature of infinite cruelty that you just met.
Oh. Oh. Okay. Oh. So why you say that then? Is you cheating on me? Bitch, is you cheating on me? Is you cheating on me with a nigga in the ring? Talk. You better
Complete
speak.
the ring,
Oh,
and you
damn.
can use Malak's power to fulfill your darkest desires.
My darkest desire is you. Alright. Shit.
Or so the
Come on.
legend goes.
What you mean? Nobody. I'm gonna be the first to do it. I'm gonna be the first to do it.
More pieces to go.
Me.
Are you ready for another nightmare?
Yeah. That was easy. That was easy. I just had to get a hang of it. Scissor bitch. I remember her from the Roblox one. These two, I actually did these three. I ain't never did before. But guess what? We gonna do it today. We gotta end of demo. What they mean? To be continued. Damn, y'all. That's fucked up. So y'all boys, I guess that's it for today's video. If y'all want the real one, like, comment, subscribe. I got you. Peace.